What's going on, folks? Your Weekend Gardeners here. It is a very, very hot day today. I just finished watering all my vegetables, fruit trees, raspberry bushes, blueberry bushes. I fed a lot of the stuff. Hey, homeboy. I watch this dog. Don't go too far. He likes to try to sneak out the gate. We got this huge backyard and he wants to go to the front for some reason. Okay, all right. Well, the reason I'm here is we took a trip to Idaho early last month. We walked away with a few potatoes, and one of the potatoes that I wanted the official Idaho russet potato, because you keep hearing all these wonderful things about the potato. I know that on the East Coast, Utz uses them for their potato chips, so they're supposed to be tasty. So while I'm out there, I had asked, could I get one of the potatoes? And while I was waiting, I went into one of the box stores that sells groceries, and this is what I found. This is the Idaho russet potato. I looked for the biggest one they had. So this potato I've had probably for about a month and 15, 16 days. So this is what it looks like right now. It's just starting to form eyes. And the reason why it's so slow to form eyes is because they spray it with an inhibitor. Now, when you get these potatoes in your house, they're not supposed to have eyes. That's one thing. Second thing is, before you eat them, you have to wash the outside. What I do, I use water and a little bit of vinegar and I scrub, because I don't want that stuff on, in my system. I have no idea what it does to humans, but I don't want to find out. So in saying that is, I bought this home to sprout, to turn into a seed potato. And the very next day, I was bought a potato straight from the ground, and within 1 month, this is what it looks like. Now, when I got this, it had dirt all over it. It's starting to become squishy. I got this late in the season, but I really wanted it anyway. I think I may plant this, but I'm going to keep it in a shaded area, not so sunny. My hopes is to get more seed potatoes. That's my hopes. This one right here, we're going to eat this one. I don't know, we're going to dice it up and make french fries or something. But this is just a comparison of two potatoes. One sprayed with an inhibitor from the grocery store, and the other one straight from the ground. And look at that. It has roots on it too. It is ready to go. So I'm going to let it sit out for probably 1 more month, and then I'm going to put it in the ground, and maybe by fall it'll start showing seed potatoes, because it usually takes about 3 months. I'm just going to do it. It was free. So I'm out here doing a lot of yard cleanup. I have a lot to clean up out here. Organizing, weeding, throwing stuff away, watering. It's about 83 degrees out here. Kind of hot. I had to take a small break, get some water. When you're out here, you got to take care of yourself. Make sure you don't overdo it. If you can get help, that's even wonderful. But reason why I got you out here today is I did a video of this Idaho potato that I actually got from Idaho in ground. So this is authentic as you can get. Started rooting. Of course, it has the chits, the eyes, if you want to call them. I'm reusing these pots again. They actually held up. So I'm going to reuse them again. This time I'm going to do a little different, because the potatoes that I got last time were puny. It is not potato season, I will say that, not in zone 7. I'm just planting this just to get a bunch of seed potatoes for next year. If I do get some nice potatoes out of this in another 3 months or so, then so be it. If not, seed potatoes for next year. So this is what I'm doing. What I'm doing a little different this time is I'm adding some cow manure, which I didn't do last time. I want to see if this helps with nice fat potatoes. And also what I'm doing slightly different is I'm not putting the potatoes in the lasagna style. I'm not putting the potatoes in at the bottom. I'm putting them halfway in between. And then what I'll do is, once I start getting leaves and vines, I will cover those up with soil. All right, I'm gonna go heavy-handed with the fertilizer on this one. Let's put it right here. Okay, I'm just going to water it in. Today is the 24th of June. All right, that's it. Let's wait and see what happens. Thanks for watching.